So let's learn about definite article the. It is used with both countable and uncountable singular and plural nouns. For examples, the apple on the tree, the leaves on the tree, the bravery of the soldiers. So the is used with all types of nouns. So now let's see the uses of the. The is used before a noun that has been already mentioned. For example, I plant a tree last year. The tree has become tall. So the is used to show about anything that has been already mentioned in the first sentence. Look at the examples. In the first sentence, the tree has been mentioned, and we are just talking about the same tree in the second sentence. That's why we are using determiner the just before the tree. Look at the next use. Before a noun, when it is clear from the situation which people or thing we mean. So it is also used before a noun about which we have known. Look at the example. She is in the kitchen. So in this type of situation, we have known about the situation that in this time she must be in the kitchen. That's why we are using the just before kitchen. Give me the book. So here we are just specifying book. That's why we are using the just before it. Before a noun that is made definite by a phrase or clause. So it is also used before a noun that is definitely made by a phrase or clause. The book I am reading. So here this is a clause, and that is showing the specific thing, that is book. That's why we are using the just before now noun book. The same example just like that, the school I study in. So here we are just specifying the school where I used to study is the school. That's why we are using the just before school. Before superlative degrees. So we know about the degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So in superlative degree we use the. Next one, before a singular noun to make the noun represent the whole class. So when we are just using a noun to represent whole class, we use the just before it. Look at the example. The tiger is a carnivore. So here's not only one tiger. Here's the tiger that is showing the full, that is representing the full class of. So here the tiger is the full. Here the tiger is used to show the full class of tiger. It is not talking about only one tiger. All the tigers are carnivore. So that's why we are using the just before tiger, because it is showing the whole class of tigers. Look at the next one. Before a noun when it is unique. So we use the just before a noun when it is told that it is going to be unique. Before river, seas and ocean, mountains ranges, group of islands, holy book, ships, aeroplanes, newspaper, well-known building, countries, when common nouns, families. For examples, the Ganges, the Indian Ocean. So when we just take the name of these type of things, these type of monuments or well-known buildings, we are going to use the just before them. Before river to with adjective when they are used as noun. So when we use any adjective as a noun, we are going to use the just before them. So we have finished the chapter. Thank you.